Hey boys and girls, not often do I get too excited about equipment that we're using around here, but I thought it might be a good idea if we talk a little bit about the little hoist and my favorite, all-time favorite, battery hoist. This thing is absolutely brilliant. I love it. We've had a couple different battery hoists in here, but as far as I'm concerned, the BendPak hoist is like to die for. It's okay if I talk about it, but maybe it'd be better if you heard from Julian. So Julian, haven't been lying, or can you tell us a little bit more about the battery?
Yeah, I'm pretty familiar with the battery lift table here. I've dropped about 10 packs using this table specifically. We've had, like Sandy mentioned, different lift tables in the past that we've used for those pack drops. This is by far the best tool that I have had to accomplish that job. The primary thing for me is, as you can see in its current state, while not fully extended, this table is able to, reach significant height to mate against the battery pack. And what this enables is, while we're dropping a pack, we have to work around a lot of the side sills in the front of the vehicle. If the table isn't able to go up high enough, we can be either crouched or having to lay on the ground while fishing around for all the fasteners. Having everything up above us while being able to work overhead, it just makes it a lot more convenient in order to access all of those fasteners and kind of accommodate a more comfortable working height there. And then I'd say probably in addition to the height, the other most convenient feature is the fact that this table is entirely battery powered. It's rechargeable, and what that means, it's very mobile once the pack is actually on it. All in all, this thing has been an incredibly vital tool for, like I said, the past 10 or so pack drops that we've done here.
Having something like this is absolutely brilliant. So I absolutely love this thing. Like I say, these guys put some real talent into the design of this.